Hi students, welcome to maths class. Today let us see some word problems on quadratic equations. What is the general form of a quadratic equation? We have seen earlier ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 represents a quadratic equation or second degree equation. Since it is second degree equation, we have two roots for this. One is alpha and the other is beta. So x equal to, what is the formula, quadratic formula I told you? Quadratic formula or Sridharacharya's formula. Sridharacharya. Okay, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is called quadratic formula. One is positive and the other is negative we will take. So this is having two roots, one is plus and the other is minus. Here this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Discriminant of quadratic equation. It is denoted by d or delta. Okay. So by using this quadratic formula, we have seen some problems earlier. Now we will see some word problems. By using this quadratic formula, how do we solve word problems? First question. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers. Two consecutive natural numbers. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 421. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Okay? Two consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive means, what did I say? Side by side. Let the two consecutive natural numbers be x comma x plus 1. Side by side, right? Consecutive natural numbers will be x comma x plus 1. Even or odd. Either even or odd. We will take the general form of this is x comma x plus 2. When we get problems of two consecutive even natural numbers or two consecutive odd natural numbers, we will be taking x comma x plus 2. So let the two consecutive natural numbers be x comma x plus 1. Consecutive means side by side. Take 1 here. 1 comma 1 plus 1. 2. 1 comma 2 consecutive. Take 10. 10 comma 10 plus 1 11. 10 comma 11 consecutive. Right? Now as per the data, sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers means x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to how much? 421. Sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers. What are the consecutive natural numbers? X and x plus 1. Squares means x square and x plus 1 whole square, right? So x square plus, it looks like a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus 421 equal to 0. What did I write here? A plus b whole square, right? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? X square plus 2x plus 1. So what will you get here? X square plus x square 2x square plus 2x minus 420 is equal to 0 because 421 minus 1. Take 2 common in this. X square plus x 210. Send 2 that side. X square plus x minus 210 equal to 0. Now I am going to use quadratic formula or factorization also we can do it. Splitting middle term, right? So comparing this, I am using quadratic formula, it will be remembered for you. Comparing one with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get, what is the value of a here? 1. B value 1. C value how much? Minus 210. A value 1. B value 1. C value minus 210. We have x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. So substitute values here. Minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square means 1. 4a c value minus 210 upon 2a, 2 into 1. So that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus, what will you get here? 840, right? Upon 2 minus 1 plus or minus square root of 841 upon 2. You know what is the square root of 841? 29, correct? 29 is 841. Okay, so x equal to minus 1 plus 29 by 2 minus 1 minus 29 by 2. So 28 by 2 means 14 minus 15. Okay, but they are asking here two consecutive natural numbers. So minus 15 is not natural number, so it is rejected. Since it is negative, it can be rejected. Therefore, the required consecutive natural numbers are x comma x plus 1. So 14 comma 14 plus 1, how much? 15. So 14 comma 15 both are consecutive, right? Clear? So this is the way we solve the word problems by using quadratic formula. Okay? We will see one more problem. Second one, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's edges in years. 3 years ago and 5 years from now. 5 years from now. 5 years from now means after 5 years. 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Okay. Find his present age. Let the present age be x years. Let the present age be x years. Sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago. 3 years ago, the age of Rahman. 3 years ago, what is the age of Rahman? What was the age of Rahman? The age of Rahman, 3 years ago, the age of Rahman is equal to, ago means we have to subtract, right? X minus 3 years. Present is x. So 3 years ago means we have to subtract, right? Present is x. 3 years ago means we have to subtract. After 5 years, 5 years later, or 5 years after, 5 years later, the age of Rahman, equal to, later means we should add x plus 5 years. Ago means subtracting, later or after means we have to add. As per the data, what should you do? Sum of the reciprocals, that means 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. It is given condition. Sum of the reciprocals. Reciprocals means what should you do? Take the reciprocal of x minus 3 and reciprocal of x plus 5 and make it equal to 1 by 3. You know how to solve this. Take LCM. X plus 5 ones are x plus 5 plus x minus 3 upon x minus 3 into x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3. So 2x plus 5 minus 3 how much? Plus 2. Multiply this to x square plus 5x minus 3x plus 2x, 5 3s are 15 equal to, cross multiply, x square plus 2x minus 15 into 1 means 1 only. So 3 into 2x plus 2. X square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 6x plus 3 2s are 6. So x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Okay. You can factorize this, right? 7 3s can I write? 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Seven threes are 21. So I want minus 4. That means minus 7 plus 3 can I write here? Minus 7 plus 3 minus 4 only. So factorization you should remember here. X square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. Or you can use quadratic formula also, no problem. Okay. So take x common plus 3 common. X minus 7 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to 7, x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3. This is rejected. Why? Because age cannot be negative. Therefore, the present age of Rahman, is 7 years. That is the end of solution. So you should understand the procedure of factorization. Again you must remember here. 7 3 is 21, minus 7 plus 3 will be minus 4 and minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. Third one. So next problem, third one. The sum of two natural numbers is the sum of two natural numbers is 8. Determine the numbers if the sum of their reciprocals is, if the sum of their reciprocals is 8 by 15. That is the question. Okay. The sum of two natural numbers. Let one natural number be x, then second natural number will be how much? 8 minus x, right? Add them. X plus 8 minus x will be cancelled, x cancelled, you will get 8. Is it correct? X gets cancelled if you add them. Sum means adding only, no? So x cancelled. As per the data, what is the condition now? Sum of their reciprocals, that means 1 by x plus 1 by 8 minus x equal to 8 by 15. Same like before problem. Sum of their reciprocals is 8 by 15. So take LCM. 8 minus x plus x upon x into 8 minus x equal to 8 by 15. Solve it. X gets cancelled. 8 upon 8x minus x square equal to 8 by 15. This 8 also gets cancelled, cross multiply. 8x minus x square equal to 15. Send these two that side. X square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Can you factorize this? 5 3s are 15. Right? 5 3s are 15. I want minus 8 here, minus 8, 5 minus 3 can I take? Minus 5 minus 3 minus 8, minus 5 into minus 3 plus 15, right? So how can you write this? X square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. Factorization. 5 3s are 15. So minus 5 minus 3 becomes minus 8. If you multiply these two, we will get plus 15. So take x common. X minus 5 minus 3 common, x minus 5. So totally x minus 5 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 5, x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Now both are positive now. Therefore the required natural numbers are if you take 5 here, 5 comma 8 minus 5, 3. If you take 3 here, 5 comma 3. So what are the numbers, required numbers? Required numbers are, natural numbers are 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.